Education Ministry relaxed eligibility for BArc admission 2020. Changes in BArc class 12th minimum marks. Education Ministry relaxed eligibility for BArc admission 2020. Changes in BArc class 12th minimum marks. Hello guys, I am Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, and you are watching Ignite India. So you can write now NATA exam if your minimum score or aggregate score is less than 50 also. Yes. So education ministry has decided now the students, because of this COVID situation, had a lot of problem. So today's videos we will discuss about what is the announcement is, how this is gonna helpful and impact the student exam, how you can score better in this exam. So this morning this is the important information we are talking here. So as per the Education Ministry guideline, now NATA exam and JEE Paper 2 architecture exam, so both of the exam student can write if their aggregate mark is less than 50%, as well as subject wise PCM also if your marks is less than 50 and above minimum. That means if you are just 12 pass out, you can write these exams, or you can eligible for take admission in any of the architecture college. So what next we have to do? Well, so Ignite India, we suggest to make sure, because the syllabus also changing a lot, there is a completely new content. So this is kind of opportunity for all of the students, though they want to write the architecture exam, not even yet started the preparation. So you can still prepare in 15 days, 1 week, 10 days, the entire course, entire curriculum. For that, Ignite team will help you. We are come up with test paper, mock paper, test series, rapid classes. In a day you can attend the 3 sessions to complete your course and give best in your exam. Every day mock paper. So there are many things are going on. I will repeat again the announcement which was today is, if your marks is less than 50%, was not able to apply earlier in architecture, your eligibility was not match with the requirement, now you can write. Make sure you share, like and subscribe this video, because many of them, they are not still aware about it. So Education Ministry has given the opportunity this year to all of the students. Looking at the current situation, is this COVID, is this fair enough? Yes, it is, because we know most of the board is not conducted the complete exam. They have given the based on internal their final result. So I think it is the right decision in this current situation. And you all got the opportunity. You make sure share this video to required student and your friend, and immediately contact to Ignite India for the current pattern, which is for architecture exam. We will help you to prepare with that. We will help you with the material, mock and test paper, which is updated one, the new content which is required for your entrance exam. Make sure you go and subscribe and press the bell icon button of this channel to get this kind of the videos and information, as well as on Ignite Ignite_India. Yes, Ignite_India is our Instagram account, where you can go and you make sure that you follow our page. Just see the updated information. I am promising you I'll be there to help you and guide you. Thank you so much guys.